in a much denser part of the path now. It's a great little walk. It's very easy, like it's all like that. It doesn't necessarily have to have a dog in it that seems to be being naughty back there. Here he comes, here he comes. Come on, Ruby. Good boy, good boy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's a really easy walk, very nice. Anyone could do it, really. I mean, if you're brave, you probably could even get a wheelchair down here, really.
Yeah, it would be a little bit bumpy, but easily done.
Yeah.
Not sandy or anything.
It's not too sandy, is it? No. Very popular with cyclists, and we've seen a few divot marks and signs of horses being down here. So you've got to be aware that you're sharing it with lots of people. No one seems to mind that the dog's off the lead.
No.
So that's
wide enough, I think, to absorb everyone.
Yeah.
And what they're doing, I guess.
And like, if you were to come here and think, oh, you know, there's going to be a lovely railway track here. It's like what Vauneta said earlier on. There is not. They've obviously gotten rid of it all.
We saw one sleeper.
Yeah.
Right there. There's evidence. Evidence.
But we're getting close to the next watering hole after having a little bit of lunch, so we're going to perhaps have a cheeky pint.
Cheeky pint.
Cheeky little pint.
Reward.
To celebrate.
Check out the locals around, don't you?
Yeah, and if the place is nice, like last time, we'll do a little review. Alright, well, we're going to put our best foot forwards again and catch you soon. Catch you on the flip. Yeah.
Hi. Just enjoyed a pint and a half of cider at the Mounties. This is affectionately known to the locals. Mount Helena Tavern. Mounties. Really nice old pub. Kind of uneven flooring, low ceilings, all wooden, nice and old. Warm and cozy. It's quite busy. Lots of locals hanging out the front around a bonfire, big beer garden. Get a place to muster up your horse if you fancy, your dog.
Yeah, everyone's there. And it's right on the path as well, so you can literally just pull off the path, pop in for a cheeky pint, and be on your merry way again. Yeah, quite nice time there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Excuse me. I didn't just burp on camera. And you gotta go, you gotta go.
The feed, didn't have any of the food because we had a Subway halfway, but we did have chips, the crisps and nuts, and they were alright. But it did look like they did nice food. They had like a Sunday roast, which I spied a guy eating, and that looked yum.
Yeah, quite a big looking menu with lots of specials. So worth popping down. Like, you can make a real day of it, you know, have a nice walk, maybe when it's better weather than just that. And
seems to be a go for like people on their motorbikes or vintage cars, or you know, the drive look.
Yeah, we just got a nice performance from that Mustang just a minute ago.
There's some bikies taking off now.
There's some bikies going to make some noise, so we're going to have a bit of an investigator of Mount Helena. One of them, it's got to be one of them. Spelt the same.
There we go.
Here we go, look.
Woo!
So yeah, this is the place to be if you've got bikes and horses and barking dogs. Any given menagerie, come to Mount Helena. We've still got to walk back yet, so
yeah, and then we'll
fun.
stop in at the parky.
And then we're going to stop in at the parky there.
Here we go,
Here you go.
Look.
Whoa.
very own Sons of Anarchy around here.
That's it, yeah. Vauneta ride.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, go. Here we are. It's a little bit later now.
It's now 5.
5 o'clock. It's taken us about an hour and a half of a good pace to do the walk back from the tavern. We are now in Parkerville, and it was roughly just shy of a 7k walk.
Yeah, about that, hey, I think in the end.
Which was pretty good. So we're at Parkerville. It happens to have a pub. The sun is still out. Well,
there's light in the sky, there's blue there.
There's light in the sky. So we're
thirsty.
Yeah, you're thirsty word, wasn't it, babies? Yeah.
Thirsty.
Yeah. So we're gonna go and have ourselves one little cheeky drink, and then we're gonna put little Rupee to bed because he's a tuckered out little lad. We've had a great fun. This path has just been really easy to walk, isn't it, darling?
Yeah, it's good. It's quite close to the main road, one of the main roads, so you do hear the traffic continually the whole time, which is going to be a little bit of a negative when you're walking. I think it's probably better as a bike trail rather than a hiking or walking trail, to be honest. But yeah, we saw some horses come along as well. It's a good day.
And I think if you're well keen, then you could come down with like a pram as well if you wanted like a family day out after a meal down at the pub or something like that. That could be quite good. Yeah, pack some good shoes though, because it does take a bit of a toll. You wouldn't want to do it in sneakers, hey?
No. Yeah.
Anyway, so we hear the alarm bells calling out in the distance there. The call of a little pint is it's making itself known. Rupee's getting impatient, so we're going to sign out and catch you next time.
Ciao.
Bye.
Hi. Well, we attempted to go to Parkerville pub for a rewarding pint, but unfortunately they discriminate against dogs. So our four-legged little friend wasn't allowed on the premises, on the property. So unfortunately, Parkerville is not a win for me in the end. I honestly thought we might move here, but now it's gone low down on my radar.
What kind of a place doesn't allow dogs?
Exactly, especially when you're living in semi-rural, semi-country kind of area on the cusp, when everybody has dogs here. And there was a really big open beer garden. Just a bit of a shame because there was a guy on his acoustic guitar performing. Would have been quite nice. Anyway, wasn't friendly towards our four-legged friends. Shame.
Yep. So we just head home and not give them our money.
Ciao.
Okay, see ya.